What's up, everybody? Just got my cook system pretty much in from Amazon. A couple different things we'll go through. So the first thing is the TOAKS titanium pot. Got this all cinched down to keep everything nice and in. Got the top. First thing in here, we have Campingmoon stove. I saw that a couple different YouTubers said that this was pretty good for the budget. It's $35, I believe. And this thing goes on it as well. Make sure that the pot stays. My bad, not going good on this one. That way the pot sits right on top of that. And I believe that this is 750 milliliters TOAKS pot. Just double check, yeah. Got the handle. Recommended everybody gets $25. And then also got a can of butane. So I'm not gonna put it all together yet, but you know, boom, boom. And that's gonna be my cook system. So TOAKS pot, Campingmoon stove, again, isobutane. I think I can already see that I'm not too fond of the lid. So I do think that I'm going to get the Peak Outdoors lid, where it just goes like that, and then you can put a lighter in the other end. So just a quick little thing, intro, see how everything holds up. Catch you out on the trail.